One of the most important things to remember about mold is that it can cause chronic symptoms and lasting effects. It's important to first figure out whether you're truly not in a current mold exposure. But if it's been determined that you're not, mold can still be affecting you from a prior exposure. Here's how. First way is the toxins, mycotoxins, can freely move throughout the body because they're ionophores. They can often be stored in our bodily tissues oftentimes until they're actively detoxed out. The second way is through colonization. This is when mold is actively growing in your body, putting off more mold toxins from within. How do we know if you have that? So, certain symptoms will point me towards thinking that you likely have colonization. One of these is sensitivity to mold. If you've developed a sensitivity to mold, or if you're kind of like a mold dog in that you can really sense when there's mold in a place and you react to it, that may indicate that you have colonization. Sometimes it's just the state of the nervous system doing that, but we have to evaluate in the context of other symptoms. And if we have testing, we can see sometimes on the urine mycotoxins test, mycophenolic acid may be elevated in the case of colonization. And if we have a urine organic acids test, then there's a whole section that can tell us whether certain molds are colonizing your body based on the metabolites that we can see in those results. If you're wondering which chronic symptoms I'm referring to that can be related to mold, there can be a wide range of symptoms, but check out my mold symptoms playlist to see the ones that are most commonly related to mold.